Hello, mathematicians. Welcome to math. I'm so excited to be here with you because this brand new 2021, we get to start using our numbers from 1 all the way to 20. That's right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to count. Ready? So hands up, and we're going to count together all the way to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh, I ran out of fingers. But I gotta count to 20. So how would I do that? Should I use my toes? No. Watch, I can just close them and I have 10 more to go. Ready? So we left off at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's right. So we have 10 plus 10 equals 20. Good job, friends. So today we're going to be doing a little book called Math About Me. And if you don't have this already, it's okay. You could just grab any piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half, just like this. And you're going to be able to do it alongside with us. So again, I'm going to grab any piece of paper. If you don't have this, I'm going to grab any piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half. And so we're going to use this book. We are going to do the pages on this book this week and next week too. So today is Thursday, and the next time we do this, it'll be Monday, okay? So have enough papers available or your book, and we'll get started. So friends, I'm going to show you what we're going to do on the first page. So on the first page, if you notice, it says Math About Me by. So here is naturally where we're going to put our name. So let's put our name. Watch how I put my name. And at the bottom, what I'd like for you to do is I'd like for you to add today's date because we have to get into the habit of writing the date correctly. So today is 1 because January is represented as a number 1. 07 2021 because it's a new year, remember? And then we change the page. And look, we're going to count 5 pages. So I want you to watch what I'm doing, okay? 1, 2, turn the page, 3, 4, and turn the page, and 5. So that's all we're going to do today. The other 5 pages we'll do on Monday, okay? So 5. Let's go back to that first page. That one page that we placed the number 1 on. It's the first page. So at the top, and I'm going to read it so you can read along with me, okay? Hi, my name is, and so we're going to put our first name. So my first name would be Susana. So I'm going to put Susana right there. Next, at the bottom it says, I have blank letters in my first name. So now we get to count how many letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 letters in my first name. So I'm going to put the number 6 right there in that box. Now, you're going to count how many letters you have in your name after you write it. So while you're doing that, you're writing your name and you're putting your number, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my picture because inside this flower-looking shape, it says, this is me. So I get to draw myself. Make sure you draw yourself with lots of pretty colors, okay? I have my dress. I have my new boots. Oh, look at that. I have my mittens, my hair. Can't forget my hair. My glasses. Yep, that's me. When you're ready to move on, you can move on. If not, you can go ahead and pause me. That's okay. Number 2, if you're in class, just keep watching and we'll do it together, okay? Number 2, my last name is. So now we're going to focus on our last name. My last name is. My last name is Orozco. So I'm going to write Orozco right here. Orozco. And you will write your last name. And then you do the same thing we did in the other page. You count how many letters you had in your last name. So let's count how many I have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I also have 6 letters in my last name. Now, at the bottom, we are going to put, now at the bottom, it says, this is how my first and last name compare. Remember that word compare? Yeah, to compare is to see which one is less than, or greater than, right? Remember those voices? Let's do less than. Less than. Now greater than. Greater than. Good job. So how many do I have in my first name? We can go back here. I have 6, so I will put 6 here. And how many do I have in my last name? Oh, right there. So I will put 6 right there. And so let's compare. 6, notice which number I'm touching first. I'm touching that first number that comes to me, right? I'm touching that first number closest to the left. 6 is less than, greater than, or equal to 6. Less than means that it's smaller than the other number. Greater than means that it's bigger than the other number. 6 is less than, greater than, or equal to than 6. It's equal to. So I will put that. If you want to pause me at home, go ahead to finish this page. If not, we will keep going. So page 3 is almost exactly the same as page 1 and 2. On page 3, it's asking you to write your last name again. Now, why would we ask you to do it again, friends? Maybe because we haven't had enough practice writing our last name. So I'd like for you to practice once more to write your last name. So I'm going to write my last name here. Orozco. And I'm going to count yet again how many letters I have in my last name. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 letters. And I have another opportunity to draw myself. I'm not going to do that right now because I want to keep going to show you how to finish this little book, the first 5 pages. Page 4 is, it's a cake. But what's missing on that cake? Some lovely birthday candles. That means that I'm going to read that sentence to figure out what number we're going to talk about here. I am blank years old. Well, in this box, you're either going to put 5 or 6 because some of us are already 6. Miss Orozco is 100 years old, so we're going to put the number 100 here. And while I try to fit 100 candles on my cake, you're going to put as many candles as how old you are. So some of you may have 5 candles. Some of you may have 6 candles. You can be creative, make them beautiful candles. You can make them little skinny candles or big, thick candles. You can make a flame on the candle. That means the little fire that's on the top. Or it doesn't have to have a flame. That's okay. You can even decorate the cake if you want to. Be creative. Use your colors. And friends, I'm going to move on to the last page. Don't feel rushed. I'm just explaining it. So on the 5th page, it says, there are blank people in my family. Now, in this part of the family, I know we have lots and lots of family like aunts and uncles and grandpas, but we're going to focus on those family members that live at home with us. So I want you to just think about everybody who lives at your house. So how many people in your family live at your house? So in my house, it's me, Mr. Orozco, Daniela, and Enrique. So it's just us 4 in my house. So I'm going to put the number 4 right here. And then this picture frame, so fancy. I'm going to draw my family. I'm going to draw myself, Mr. Orozco, and my 2 kids. At this point, you would be very creative. You're going to use all your colors to make sure you get their hair color right, their eye color. Do they wear glasses? Are they tall? Like Enrique, is he nice and short and small because he's a baby? Or are they big and tall because of your big brothers or dad or mom? Draw them as best as you can. Be creative. Have fun with it. And remember, this is the last page we will do today. We will work on the next pages on Monday. Okay? Friends, have fun. And if you want to share your book with me, go ahead and take a video of you showing me your pages. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. Or you could take a picture of all the pages, whatever you would like. There's a space for you if you want to share it. If you don't want to share it, that's perfectly okay, because on Monday, I'm going to have you present it to me. Okay? Bye, friends. We'll see you later. Have fun.